Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, Life on Land. Man, as you can see, I look so sleepy right now. I just woke up. But today's a really great day. I'm gonna tell you why. Because I'm going on my first walleye charter. I'm excited. This should be an experience. My uncle got us a charter for today from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. in Upper Michigan. By the way, I'm in Michigan, my hometown, man, Detroit. So we're going out today fishing for walleye, jigging for walleye on the St. Clair River. So I've never been on the St. Clair River. We've been on the lake. But anyways, man, it's early. It's about 7:30. I'm on vacation, so yes, this is early. And I'm headed to get a fishing license. So just a few more things that I need for the trip, like some sunglasses for sure, possibly some shorts. I might just rock my Nike shorts, whatever. But anyway, man, I'm excited. Today is a great day. I hope to see y'all checking out this video. If you haven't already, I've posted 2 previous videos of my MMP Shield 9 Plus. You all can check that out as well. But man, we about to get on this water in a few hours. So I gotta make sure I get all my stuff and make sure I'm ready to go on this charter so I can really just enjoy some Michigan weather, man. It's cool today. It's only about 61 degrees, which is perfect, cool. It should heat up later on throughout the day. But anyways, enough talking, man. I'll see y'all later.
If you made friends with somebody that's working on the days, then that's my favorite. It's just like a pike, it'll mess your tackle up. See, I want to see what these guys can. I want to see what's in this bucket. And frogs. Yeah, but you don't have the jabber or whatever that is. Someone told me that how to catch frogs. Like there's this swamp there, Lake Erie, and like at night.
So we out here, man. Out in the beautiful state of Michigan. About to get some fish in. The temperature is actually pretty good today. Not too hot, not too cold. Actually, not cold at all. So we're going to be fishing for walleye today. I'm excited. Hoping to really put some fish on the table today, man. I got a couple more days here in Michigan, so hopefully today is a great day for some walleye. Really excited. The weather is beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna try to get some ice first, and then we should be heading out. See y'all in a minute, man. See y'all in a minute.
One thing about this river is you can find
got me.
Oh my god.
Dude, take a pic. When do you guys take a pic? Send it to me.
Caught a sturgeon.
You guys take,
I'll take it like
hey,
7
take a
foot
pic.
long.
Hey, just take a
Let
pic.
me get a picture.
Take a pic.
Alright, y'all. We about to head out. It's been a beautiful, beautiful day of walleye fishing. Wonderful time. We're going to head back in, clean some fish, and show y'all what we caught today. Thanks for riding with us, man. Life on land, baby. Let's go. Alright, y'all, this is Mr. Anthony here with Fins Sports Fishing. Doing a little filleting on our walleye that we caught today. First of all, I gotta say he is an awesome charter fisherman. He put us on some really good fish, as you can see. Really good walleye. Anthony, thank you so much, man.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for coming out.
Great service. And if any of you all are interested in catching some walleye, we even caught a sturgeon today, which is a prehistoric fish. Awesome fish. Anthony, can you tell them how they can get in contact with you so they can do some fishing?
Yeah, you can either get a hold of me by calling me at 586-863-8041, or you can go on my website, which is finssportfishing.com. That's with 2 N's and 2 S's.
Awesome, awesome. So look, y'all, hey, I'm gonna let him get back to his business. But again, you all can reach out to him, contact him. I guarantee you all can catch some fish just like this. Some awesome fish. And we just had a good time. We just getting in. It's past 8 o'clock. I think we got on the water a little after 2 p.m. today. Didn't even seem like it went by so fast. I wish we could still be out there catching some fish. But anyways, until next time, Anthony, again, man, thank you so much for your awesome
My
charter.
pleasure.
We all had a good time, y'all. See y'all on the next one. All right, y'all. We are back from the charter, and this walleye looks amazing. Like, he filleted these things very well. So we're gonna fry some up tonight. Folks hungry. And look at that. Look how thick that is. She thick. So we gonna, he showed me how to zipper them. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna get to the cooking. But this one kind of big. If you don't know, walleye have those pin bones like right in here. But he showed me how to zipper them to get that out. So all I did was just cut right there up the middle. And then you just gonna pull it carefully. Pull it straight down the middle like that. And then you got one piece here. And then you just wanna feel for those bones. And then there's gonna be a strip of meat that you could just pull out. Like right here. This little dark piece right here. Pull it, carefully pull it out. Boom. Now you got 2 fillets. I pulled out a little bit more, but yeah. So now we got some fillets here. Let's see that. There you go. I got some fillets. So I'm about to batter them up. I got some cornmeal. Some slap your mama. The grease shouldn't be hot because I already cooked it. You said the grease is hot. Okay, so I'm gonna season this up and I'm gonna bring y'all back when I drop it in the grease. All right, y'all. So we about to season the fish. I'm gonna just put a little mustard on it, like as a binder. then season it. It's late. It's a little late, but I never had walleye before, so I want to make sure, I want to taste this thing. So we're just gonna put a little mustard in there, not much. What you think I should season it with? Some Slappy Mama? Put a little bit of Slappy Mama. I ain't gonna go too crazy because Slappy Mama salty. Slap your mama. I'm hungry, man. A little bit of Slap Your Mama and some garlic powder. So now we're gonna bag it. Get the stove up. We about to be ready for the grease. Alright, y'all, so we got the walleye and the grease. This is my first time trying walleye, so I'm really excited. On a scale from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, of course, I'm gonna assume or predict that this walleye is a 4.5 out of 5. It might blow my mind. It might be 5 out of 5. But I'm predicting 4.5 out of 5. It looks good. It smells great. It's not a fishy smell. I mean, Anthony really did his thing when he filleted those fish. He bled them out, all that. So, you're talking about some good fish right here. So, looking forward to it. The taste test is coming shortly. But man, this fish smells so good. Simple recipe. You can use mustard as a binder, a little bit of Slap Your Mama, a little bit of garlic powder, and that was it. Now, based on how this tastes, we'll do some more seasoning, but this is all the seasoning that we're gonna use for today. So we're gonna let them things do their thing, and then cornmeal jackets, flip them. We're gonna see all of this here. Alright, y'all, the moment of truth. We about to try some walleye. Take a nice fresh piece. It's hot too. Walleye, 1 out of 5. 5 out of 5. It ain't even no question. Walleye, 5 out of 5. Bye, y'all. I gotta enjoy this. Peace.